In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video from Google Drive to Blogger. To get started, open your browser and head to Google. In the top right, click the grid icon, the Google Apps launcher, and choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files live. Find the video you want to embed and open it, so it plays in the Drive viewer. With the video open, look to the top right of the player for the three dots menu. Click that, then choose Open in New tab. This step loads the video on its own page and reveals the options we need to grab the embed code. On the New tab, go to the top left and click File. From the menu, select Share, then choose Get Embed Link. Drive will generate an embed link for you, typically as an iframe code that websites like Blogger can understand. Copy that embed link to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Now switch over to Blogger. From your Blogger dashboard, create a new post by clicking New Post. In the editor, click into the body using the pencil icon so you're editing the content area. Next, switch the editor to HTML view. This is important. The embed needs to be pasted into the HTML, not the Visual Compose view. With HTML view open, paste the embed link or iframe code you copied from Drive right where you want the video to appear in your post. Before publishing, click Preview to make sure the video displays correctly and plays as expected. If you see the player and it starts up fine, you're in great shape. If it doesn't appear, double-check that you opened the video in a new tab before getting the embed link and make sure the video is viewable for your intended audience. You can also return to the post content to add any text or context above and below the video while keeping the embed code in place. A quick formatting tip. If the embedded player looks too large or small, you can adjust the width and height values right inside the iframe code to better fit your post layout. Just keep the proportions consistent so the player doesn't look stretched. When everything looks good in preview, go ahead and publish your post. Your Google Drive video is now embedded directly in Blogger, ready for your readers to watch without leaving the page.